Hey yo, it's your boy Wamurimu, aka the fashion philosopher. You know what it is. We are out here in Kagiso, Aftermath 7. Let's go check the vibe, check how the people are feeling. As you can hear, we are show umdanso ziyakhala. Let's get them. Asambeni. Yeah, so as you can see, guys, I found my people and they are here. They are looking fresh. The drip is on the highest square. Aruto Barring, how they are feeling? How's the vibe? Go Aftermath 7. Hi guys, how you guys doing? How you guys feeling?
Yeah, we are good. We are good.
You guys are nga. So guys, me, I'm good, guys. You know the vibe is on the highest square. So guys, you know the lineup is crazy. The lineup is fire. Who are you guys like waiting to see perform on stage?
Choose my
So guys, like as you can see on TikTok, what's your favorite dance at trending right now? Danko, thank you for your time, guys. Thank you. Enjoy the rest.
Ngukutshela ngeke ngukutshele mari iqiniso ukuthini mina ngize ngokuza kwami ene mina ukuza kwami la ngizodla imali. Ngidla imali kuphela yabo.
Yes.
Nothing much guys yabona sicela ningasibambi inkunzi ningasenzini size ngobuhle kuphela yabo.
Bafethu sengobuhle.
Ngobuhle kuphela guys.
Esinibabona mfethu abantu basengobuhle vele lana abantu bagcoke kahle abantu bageze bageza abantu. Bageza umuntu man. Matota, nempahla kanti ziyadura kanjeni?
Zona ziyadura zona. Ngemali phela na.
Sengimali.
Thenga ngemali.
Asituniselanga.
Situniselanga thenga ngemali.
Umfethu mina ngiyaqala i-first time ngiza ku-Aftermath but already mina sengijabulile. Maybe wena angazi angikosho ukuthi uyaqala ukufika la ku-Aftermath or mhlawumbe awuqali. Mhlawumbe if awuqali ungasho i-event enjani, i-event ojwayele ukuthi kwenzakalani vele kule event lena.
Yona ziyakhipha, it's nice, yonke into experience i-grand.
Sure.
Yonke into but then ile bengikhuluma ukuthi ngicela ngingathatheli impahla abanye bane experience embi ukudlula mina. But then experience yami i-grand ngizojabula.
Sure.
Imali yami yabo ngizo explore nje yonke into ngazane nabantu uyangithola. Kuza ngicheka ile lineup. Ngibone ngathi khona ama-artist amaningi azayo namhlanje and then abalandeli abaningi ngibona abantu abaningi bazile mhlambe and then ngiyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe wonke umuntu khona i-artist ethile oyizele lana wena ungasho mhlambe i-artist othini owathini hayi athi ngikhipha imali yami ephaketheni imali yami yela yakhona mhlambe ngodle nengane uma kuthiwa nginayo kule event kumele ngiyobona lo muntu lo mhlambe ungasho i-aphi artist oyizele namhlanje mina ngiphethe ngo-Mr. Remember.
Mr. Remember?
Yeah, Mr. Remember, Timen Express, shout out to him. Yeah.
Mhlawumbe ungasho the ingoma ka Mr. Remember yena sikhuluma ngayo bafethu Timen Express. Mhlawumbe ungasho the ingoma ka Timen Express mhlawumbe oyithandayo.
Divine Life bafethu.
Divine Life. Mongashanga ngamalanike nombala lapho na mfethu. Uthama amakhamera. Sayibona. Hey yo, we killing it. You know what's the vibe? Diyantsha diyakhala. Yo ke re bona cheka. Ke tshwere bana ba ba dance, bana ba ba nice, ba tshwere vibe. Let's hear hore ba re tshwaretseng about the event. Hello guys, how you guys doing?
Well, thanks and you.
Yo, I love your energy guys. I love your energy. Kore ke re la ka bona la njayivisa bra. La njayivisa le batla di get down. Anyways, how you guys feeling about the Aftermath? Like what's the vibe? What's it giving? Like ke bone line up e tshwere matla braya ka ke re yo ya shisa ke re ke mango le expectile go mmona betshana ko back ke re bona kopa le shapeleng favorite dance ya la lona la ya ko TikTok ora lo mpethele dilo tsa massive ke le bona Danko, thank you guys so much for your time. Ayo nyashiselwa ziyakhala ngiphetha amajita ayatwenza ashaya drip on another level. Khipani bafethu ni grand.
Simnani.
Nami ngimnani. What's the vibe? Khipani kuma Aftermath bafethu first time yena ori hayi dala ngikhona. Dala ngikhona. Dala ngikhona le Aftermath.
Siyabuya la.
Cho yanyanisa.
You see the vibe is immaculate. Where people are having fun.
The vibe is on. DJ Washington. Matatata. Like out of all the aftermath shots, which one would you say or this one is the best? Like it is the vibe. Sure. Watch it go. Kiribona. Anyways, line up your shit about it. What's the artist that better nam? Lena, Halishabila, which artist are you guys looking forward to seeing on the stage?
Malemon.
Shagaman, you know the vibes. Anyways, dance ele better on TikTok. Ele ring Halishapa. Like yo, na straight dance like dance ele rata. You wanna watch heaven? Go on betela yo ele brayaka. Tanko.
Nna ke Umi Malepe on socials and mo ke tlisitse ke Team Express.
Ay man. Why Team Express? Re le ba bantsi so.
Ke nyaka ntalla remember.
Mara le Team Express ke jore le hola le rena jo.
Ke nyaka ntalla remember ke song of the year.
I know man, Team Express ngare re mo go go event thing so man like.
No. I'm Ay.
Kawona, ke re o no tsena wa betha obi. Kawona sesaka. Wena o mangutwa ka unya ka mo.
Nna ke tsaka khitsa extension 80. Correct. Go to shaka.
Ale mbethele dance iwane masipunyana ko. Yeah. Hai.
Okay, so our name is Kota Fanatic. This is our first time actually being at an event, so we're trying to like kind of stretch out, but we're about just making everything that we do taste good, smell good, and we start early so that it can render all of that fat. But yeah, so we basically just try to make everything we do taste wonderful. That's why our menu is not too big. We keep it small, we keep it tiny, so that what we do is just always perfect.
Yeah, so like I got hungry and I decided to come like check you guys out, and yeah, I won't lie, bruh, like the smell drew me here, bruh. So what made you come to the aftermath?
So basically, I just love Amapiano. I've been following these guys for a while now, and I was thinking, yeah, let me just try this out and see how it goes, because it's just such a nice vibe here.
Okay, so let's say I'm hosting my own event and I want you guys to pull up and put your store at my event. How do I find you guys? How do I contact you guys?
You can contact me on 078-179-0859, or you can go on Instagram and follow me. My name is Shanae Huesen. We're still working on a website for this business, so it's still tiny.
Yeah, like why do people come to your stall to buy food here? Like myself, I came to your store. Can you please tell me why?
I guess it's just because we love what we do. It's not like we're acting and making it an effort. We smile when people come. We always try to make friends. We make it the best prices without overpricing you guys. But yeah, it's basically just how we treat our jobs. We enjoy what we do.
Okay, thank you so much. Now it's time for me to grab some food because you know what? I am hungry. Thank you so much for your time. It's going down. Anyways, I'm not alone. Let's see if I can tell about the fresh. I'm going to let you shine. I can understand you here. Dintang, what's the vibe?
I didn't see vibe muna to kanyewa like yes.
Kiribona diabo, ang chela horo tsa va, it's taking money aftermath. Wole mo cho me.
Ke tsa swana bini. Come mama tsoka boko teng fine. Ke tsa vibe like you know say
yeah, no DJ wala DJ. Anyways, guys, line up ya shisa. Alum tele ke mang o le memetseng gore a to performa.
Shoes master. Shoot!
Why superstar show me? Ke bona le excitement, yo.
Sa slide against
Why superstar? Ke bona le excitement.
Shoes is the best. Like
Kerebone, Diabua. I'm an Arabic.
aftermath, why?
One way, the first time we study aftermath, right?
Wow, my second time. Like let me suit. I go kagiso.
What's a little too getting HTC thing like the hottest?
I can't. Today.
Well, that's the series that I have memory aftermath.
Last to go show Team and Express.
Why Team and Express of all people? Because Kafelang Karil like a Team and Express.
Like Team and Express like yo.
Get taking a Team and Express away ratang.
Remember.
Open on Chapelle line, let's say two fella.
As I'm a late. Your cut is about to name me, so I am game for.
Kaluta.
Baratan Pingiluto. What is this? I only for look remember.
Danko. Check it, the vibe is on. Dancers, ya keep arnale batho. People are happy, wa jive, wa groove, wa homonat. Kerebona, get 32 special people more about. Tripiabona is on fly, korba fly, ba happy. Guys, can you guys tell me what level man? Let's talk. Let's taking more aftermath.
Anna le bitso ke Tebza ke tswa mo Kagiso extension 11 wa tseba ke ditsa gore ke batla wana Team and Express fela ene fela
Wena
Ka lebitso ke na le ke tsa go Kagiso Hospital View ke tletse go tlo bana Team and Express.
why it's ka lutla ka fela ke Team and Express this Team and Express why Team and Express mara like why
Remember re batla fela pina
the guy is so good, the guy is so special, the guy his songs they have a message. It's just he doesn't sing only, they have a message his song, so he's a special guy, that guy.
Uta everyone remember mara naki it's cracky bra ko balum betele vesinyala e1 e massive ya hona fela.
Okay, so verse kana ewingi. Hi Shom Saba Yashasen, Langom Saba Yashasen, Aizamalento, Yovkoti Saba Tungemizwa yam gemfo, Angshaya ngatinga phakathi akudingi lutho, but inhliziyo yona ifuna ukuremember.
I guy Uta, it's fly, it's on top. Yes, again, RML Team and Express Africa, but you are very happy. Thank you for your time. Danko. Ayo, Latiba, Dancer, we are on, vibe on. No Ravatero VIP. What's even time? So, Aki one, whatever, only talking and lane. I'll let that person I introduce Archelor Kemang, Wetang, Utwakai, Utleka, and Gori aftermath. Our grand.
Exegidarinza.
Gestel, Unchild, our Omang, Otava, and Notiseke in Yisogori aftermath, Braga.
Obvious, smash into an engine, Kumkum, Shapes go cho. An engine to Missa, but as long as Prince Toros, like Makatos, and get Prince Toros, I pay an album after me, obvious, young son. He's only wish to me, some sort of John Bizang, best MC, a Western, obvious.
Danko. Some pet Angel and pet SVMC, some pet Yazma ups and downs, Zakala, no Panama kick, no Nama kick, we had Lanjan and petty pressure. Oh, to Tolamaki, sometimes no but try, kind of next.
Obvious, then it's simple, it's long as you're PA.
Sure.
We must push,
Sure. Yeah. So, when I change your SEMC, Ibinja along the way.
Obvious, I will come Masha, but as long as I say SWV, I'm telling young Paramisi,
As no, Petu. He need bad experience on your banner like Ofi and J event in one with Ila something off find something you keep a moody.
Obviously, there's a man of Maqualo.
Sure.
About my event, don't want for you, don't tell her. I'm a young figure who's only MC available, MC Ada. No massive figure, Mina. Even in car, even on his body. Monana, who's a first of figuring on Ganya should be.
So far, AP event Ogawati, Ubewa Baneki corner and Ubene best experience corner.
I mean, as of challenge after met last day. After met. We will come back to go strong Sancho no man.
That is still you have again a view after met.
Obvious, na this say na no James Sancho kibeli stage. Sancho shugumi Sancho.
Aspong about Aspong.
See What's up, I'm out here winning this bitch. We out here, my nigga. Yeah.
You know what it is. So, my friend, I have one question for you, ne? Like, how's the crowd? How's everything? How's the performance? How you feeling it? How would you rate it out of 10?
Yo, I won't even lie. I think 10, boys. And like, I love the vibe here in the West. It's crazy.
They're giving you the energy,
come with
bro.
the stadium vibe. Yeah, I feel like I was playing disky or something.
Like, for real, bro. Is this your first time performing at an Aftermath event, or you've been here before?
This is my first time at Aftermath. Yeah, my first time.
Damn, and the crowd was this crazy, bruh.
Amazing.
Damn. So, are there any projects that you are working on that people might expect from you in the coming days or coming months?
I just dropped a song called Todi. Right now, I want to make more like, I don't know, Native African vibes. So maybe all of them too could see something. You'll see.
Damn, best, my brother. Damn. Thank you. Huh?
Where is it going on currently?
Yeah. What do you have going on currently?
Right now, shows. We're shutting shows. Coming, shutting it down. I'm dropping a project soon. I can't say too much, but it's gonna be crazy.
Like 2026, what can we expect? Any album? Any EP?
Baba, EP, everything.
You are ready. You're giving us what we want. Thank you, my brother. Bless. Hey yo, we are out here, Dianta, it's going down, busy. We are grooving, we are having fun. And as you can see, Drip Iakonta on another level. So can you please tell us who you are, what you do, and what you are doing at the Aftermath?
It's your boy Mikey Verse, what he do. Everyone who knows me, I'm a clothing brand person. So I'm here at the Aftermath, we pushing cups, branding. Most of the merch that's worn here, it's actually made by Mikey Verse, designed by Mikey Verse. Yeah,
so how's the event been? I heard you say you've been selling cups and selling stuff. How's it been? How's the response from the people, from the crowd?
Good reception as always, but Bakakiso was support, I'm mad. So yeah, cups are sold out already. And it's the night hasn't even started.
Yeah,
the night hasn't even started,
but
cups are sold out. Thank you so much, KG, for the support, for the love.
Wallah. So, what inspired your outfit today? Because I can see it's on fire, it's fly. What inspired you to like design this particular?
Akona lang funu yako, akona lang funu